Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is OPPO A15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable OK Google on this device. Alright, so firstly, to enable OK Google we have to head to settings. Right here we have to scroll down and find Google option. Here I have to click on all services, search assistant and voice. Now we have to click on the Google Assistant, and here we are in the Google Assistant settings. Now we have to click on this first option, Hey Google and voice match, and we have to just turn on this option by clicking on this button right here. Now we have to click I agree again. And as you can see, Hey Google is now ready. That's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!